Hi guys, it's day 46 I think today, and now we're going to go on a hunt for ice cream.
But this is like vegan chocolate, vegan with ice cream.
Okay, this way,
Vanilla, coconut ice cream.
and the other way.
Coconut,
That way, yeah.
with vanilla and coconut cream. So they're both dairy
I
free.
can find these things.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Who got you that then?
And I'll put some.
Got a bit of this.
Small bit, half of that. Okay.
Try
If you just sprinkle it in. Whoa, look at that.
There you go.
Wow, homemade ice cream. Just chocolate.
Yeah, just a bit.
That's nice, that chocolate.
Mummy, there's
Dark
something
chocolate.
that she doesn't like.
Mm.
Mummy, there's something that she doesn't like.
And this is my one. It's good. Coconut ice cream, flake on top, and chocolate. Mmm. Pasta with tomato sauce. Butternut squash and sage ravioli, and beetroot and goat cheese filled. Okay, add to boiling water. It's boiling nicely. There's the tomato pasta done, and then the beetroot, goat cheese, and butternut squash. Bread, big olive oil drizzled on top.